Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. Okay, so medicine capsule is given here. So it is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, it is in the shape of a cylinder. That means it is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, so with two hemispheres stuck at each of its ends. That means so one end one hemisphere is stuck and other end also one hemisphere is stuck. Okay, so the length of the capsule is 14 mm. So the length of the capsule is 14 mm here given. Okay, length of the capsule, and the thickness, that means thickness is diameter. So diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Sorry, so diameter is 5 mm. That means radius of the capsule will be 5/2 mm. Okay, so find the surface area. So in order to find the surface area, we have to add the curved surface area of this hemisphere and curved surface area of cylinder plus again curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay. So the medicine capsule will be in this shape. Okay, so that means first one side to the one end one hemisphere is stuck, and to the other end of the cylinder another hemisphere is stuck. Okay, so we have to add the curved surface area of this hemisphere plus curved surface area of this cylinder plus curved surface area of this hemisphere. Okay, so now write the given data first. Okay, so given data. So cylinder dimensions, dimension of cylinder and dimension of hemisphere. So cylinder, height of the cylinder h equal to, it is given the length of the hemisphere, length of the cylinder medical capsule, that is 14 mm. That means height is 14 mm, and diameter, thickness is nothing but here diameter. So diameter d equal to 5 mm. So it implies radius r equal to 5/2 mm. So similarly radius of hemisphere is also radius r equal to 5/2 mm. Okay, so according to the problem, it is given that a medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck on each of its ends. Okay, since the medicine capsule consisting of two hemispheres stuck to the cylinder, so the total surface area of the medicine capsule is curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of again hemisphere. Okay, so since the capsule is in the shape of two hemispheres stuck to either end sub cylinder, so surface area is equal to its surface area of capsule equal to curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, hemisphere plus curved surface area of cylinder plus again curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, so here curved surface area of first hemisphere plus curved surface area of the cylinder and curved surface area of again hemisphere. Okay, so therefore surface area of capsule equal to, so curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of hemispheres. Okay, curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of hemisphere, that means 2 curved surface area of 2 hemispheres. Okay. So we know that curved surface area of cylinder formula is 2 pi r h plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Okay, equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 to the 4 pi r square. Okay, equal to, if we take 2 pi r as common, okay, since the radius of the both cylindrical part and this hemisphere both are same, that means we can take r also common. Okay, so 2 pi r as common. If we take 2 pi r as common, So here h will be remains and 2 2s are 4, that means 1 2 will be remain. So r, okay, 2r will be remain. Okay, so 2 pi r into h plus 2r. Okay, now 2 into, so pi value is taken as 22 by 7 we can take. Okay, next r value, radius is 5 by 2 mm. Okay, into h value, that means height of the cylinder is 14 mm, plus 2 into r value is again 5 by 2 mm. Okay, so 2 2 gets cancelled. Now again here 2 2 gets cancelled, so 22 by 7 into 5 mm into 14 plus 5, that means 19 mm. Okay, so equal to, so 22 into 5 into 19. Okay, 22 into 5, that means 110. Okay, into 19. Okay, 0 9 20. Okay, 2090 by 7 mm into mm square millimeters or millimeter square equal to 2090 by 7. 7 2s are 14, 6 will be remains, 7 9s are 63, again 6 will be remain, 60, 7 8s are 56, 4 will be remain, we take 1 point, 7 5s are 35, so 5 will be remain, after point we can take 1 0, yes, 7 7s are 49, mean 1, so 298.57 square mm, millimeter square. So therefore the surface area of the medicine capsule is 298.57 millimeter square. So this is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. The next question is, two cubes each of volume 64 centimeters cube are joined end to end together. Okay, so two cubes each of volume is 64 centimeters cube, they are joined end to end together. Okay, so let us draw two cubes. So this is the first cube and second cube. So each cube consisting of volume 64 centimeters cube. So they are joined end to end together. So if we join two cubes, we will get the cuboid. Okay, we will get a resulting cuboid. Okay, now so write the given data. Given volume of cube, okay, each cube, volume of each cube equal to 64 centimeters cube. That means volume of cube is formula, we know that a cube equal to 64 centimeters cube. Okay, it implies that a cube equal to the 64 centimeters cube can be written as 4 centimeters whole cube. Okay, so 4 centimeters whole cube, that means if we factor 64 in terms of 4, that means 4 into 4 into 4 we will get 64. Okay, 64 centimeters cube is written as 4 centimeters whole cube. We can cancel cube, that means a equal to, we got 4 centimeters, that means each edge of the cube is 4 centimeters. Okay, so each edge of cube a equal to 4 centimeters is obtained. Edge of the cube is 4 centimeters. Now if we join these two cubes end to end together, then the length of the cuboid, resulting cuboid will be double of each edge. That means, so a plus a, that means 4 plus 4, so length will be 8 centimeters and breadth and height will not change. So breadth of the cuboid is same as each edge of the cube. Okay, similarly height of the cuboid is also same as height of the cube, that means edge of the cube. Okay, so if we join two cubes end to end together, resulting cuboid is formed. So now the dimensions of the cuboid. Okay, so therefore dimensions the cuboid formed are, the formed cuboid dimensions are, so length will be 4 plus 4, that means 8 centimeters. Okay, so length will be double of this each edge and the breadth and height will be remain same. Okay, so that means breadth equal to same 4th edge of cube. Similarly height is also equal to each edge of the cube. So it is asked in the question to find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So find the curved surface area. Okay. So lateral surface area of cuboid. So we know that lateral surface area of cuboid formed by 2h into L plus P. That means 2 into h value is 4 centimeters into L is 8 centimeters plus breadth is 4 centimeters. Okay. So 2 4 is 8 centimeters into 8 plus 4 is 12 centimeters. So 12 8 is 96 centimeters square. So 96 centimeters square. So lateral surface area of the resulting cuboid is 96 centimeters square. So this is the answer.